how to change to light mode on ChatGPT, or how to turn off dark mode on ChatGPT. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're confused about how to enable a white background on ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to switch from dark mode to light mode on ChatGPT, whether you're using iOS or Android. So, make sure you stick around until the end for the full tutorial. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, you need to simply open your ChatGPT app over here. Once you're in the ChatGPT, look for the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. Simply go ahead and tap on it. Once you're here, you need to simply tap on your profile over here. Once you're in the profile here, under the color scheme, you can see that the option has been switched to dark. In order to change that, simply tap on the color scheme, and from here, you can simply tap on light option over here. You have successfully changed to light mode on ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.